W2LIE.net.
Signal 13, residential structure, 44th Street, runs between Brentwood Road and 9th Avenue. Repeating for the Brentwood Fire Department, signal 13, residential structure, 44th Street, runs between Brentwood Road and 9th Avenue. 1046 KC 863. 3232, 1047, house explosion, Rockland Firehouse, PDF change confirming. Yeah, Roger, PD's up, scene confirming explosion.
220, we got a confirmed explosion. We got a completely leveled structure. We have light fire. Finding out if we have victims at this time.
Roger. 32's 21 at 1050. 320-681. Roger, 338.
Be advised, it's a house that was being remodeled. There's no occupants living in the house. Unknown if it is a crew working though at this time. 10-4. We're also going to need a door-to-door of the surrounding homes. We got a lot of damage, and we're going to need to know if there's additional victims.
First engine 1051. 320, signal 13, confirmed residential explosion. 44th Street, runs between Brentwood Road and 9th Avenue. Repeating for the Brentwood Fire Department, signal 13, confirmed residential explosion. 44th Street, runs between Brentwood Road and 9th Avenue. 1051 KC at 63.
W2LIE.net.